Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI. I am doing my makeup for the day and I'm at the part where I need to put some eyeshadow on, and I love the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia. I love all the colors that come in it. They're all like pretty neutral, kind of like beige, browns, clay kind of colors, and pinks, and I just love those so much. So I'm not a makeup artist. I don't know how to do makeup perfectly, but I do just like a basic look for my everyday. I mix these two colors and just apply it like on my eye, and then I go back in with like a darker color like this one, and I just go in my crease. I really like the pop of color that this gives, and so I just blend it in to my crease and also the outside corner. If I want like a little extra pop, I will put some of this with this color right into the corner and blend that in. And that's it. That's just my basic everyday look. So I feel like the Soft Glam palette actually does give you that soft glam. You can make it a little more over the top with these colors more on this side. I usually tend to keep it on this side. I do use the black as eyeliner sometimes as well. So if you're looking for a soft glam look, an everyday palette, I highly recommend this one from Anastasia. I love it, and that's my point of view.